Tesla is about to make a seismic $2.9 billion move that will permanently alter the American energy landscape forever. And let me be brutally honest with you right now. If you miss this news, you are going to be completely left in the dark about the future of technology and the impending spectacular collapse of legacy energy corporations. Those conservative dinosaurs are literally shaking in their boardrooms as we speak. Welcome back to Electric Vehicle Empire. I am thrilled to have you here today because we are tearing apart a groundbreaking, game-changing deal that is guaranteed to absolutely crush every single one of Tesla's competitors and change the way we look at power generation for the rest of our lives. Listen closely to this because we are witnessing history in the making. According to the latest verified reports, echoed by multiple industry insiders, Tesla is in advanced talks and has locked in deals to purchase nearly $3 billion worth of solar manufacturing equipment. Yes, you heard that right, $3 billion. This is not some tiny pilot project. This is not a cheap PR stunt that legacy automakers pull to pretend they care about the environment while continuing to pump out outdated, inefficient combustion engines. This is an all-out war for the future of energy. So what exactly is Tesla's ultimate goal here? They are building an absolute manufacturing empire with a jaw-dropping capacity of 100 gigawatts per year, right here in the United States by the year 2028. This state-of-the-art machinery is expected to be shipped to Texas just before the autumn of 2026. Stop for a second and actually think about that number, 100 gigawatts. Just to give you some perspective, the entire power grid of many countries combined doesn't even come close to that level of generation. Tesla is not just adding a few assembly lines in the dusty corner of an old factory. They are building a massive, fully independent, gigascale energy manufacturing machine that will rewrite the rules of the global economy. Why is this an absolute death blow to the competition? Just look at the legacy energy companies and the current traditional solar manufacturers operating in the U.S. today. Their costs are astronomically high, their supply chains are painfully slow, and their mindset is stuck in the past. Solar energy in the U.S. is currently 3 times more expensive than in places like Australia. And that right there is the fatal flaw, the glaring weakness that Elon Musk has identified and is about to completely exploit. Tesla is executing a strategy of total vertical integration. They want to control absolutely everything, from the raw materials all the way to the finished, installed product. They are partnering with the world's leading equipment suppliers like Suzhou Maxwell Technologies, Shenzhen SC New Energy, and Laplace, and pay very close attention to this specific detail because it is the most important part of the story. Tesla is not buying finished panels just to slap a Tesla logo on them and sell them at a markup. No, they are buying the massive industrial equipment to manufacture the cells themselves at a scale we have never seen before in human history. I have to ask you guys right now, and I want you to be totally honest. Do you honestly think fossil fuel monopolies and legacy solar manufacturers have any chance of surviving when Tesla forces prices to rock bottom through sheer gigawatt-scale production? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below right now. I want to hear your take on this. Do you remember what Tesla did to the legacy automotive industry? They walked in, built vastly superior electric vehicles, relentlessly drove down manufacturing costs through continuous innovation, and left dinosaurs like Ford, GM, and Toyota desperately scrambling to catch up. Well, guess what? Now they're applying that exact same ruthless playbook to the global energy sector. They are going to push the prices down so hard that the old way of doing things will simply cease to exist. This isn't just about putting a few shiny panels on your residential roof. We have to look at the macro environment. With the explosive boom of artificial intelligence, the massive computing requirements of XAI data centers, and the rapidly expanding facilities of SpaceX, the demand for electricity is skyrocketing globally. America is thirsty for power, and the current outdated grid simply cannot handle it. Tesla is positioning itself not just as a car company and not just as an AI company, but as the undisputed energy manufacturing superpower of the United States.
Imagine a world where solar electricity is cheaper than bottled water. What happens to all those outdated, heavily subsidized coal and gas plants? Are we looking at 2030 as the definitive end of the fossil fuel era? Let me know your perspective in the comments. Now, the critics, the mainstream media, and the skeptics are already whining. They are pointing fingers and saying, "Oh, look at the irony. Tesla is using Chinese machinery to build American factories." They are completely missing the big picture. If you want to win a global manufacturing war, you buy the absolute best tools available on the market right now. You build your factories immediately, you train your local workforce, and you start dominating production. You don't wait around 10 years trying to reinvent the wheel just to score political points. The conservative, slow-moving nature of Tesla's rivals is exactly what is digging their own graves. This deal is a massive checkmate on the global energy chessboard. If even half of this 100-gigawatt plan becomes reality, Tesla will secure huge amounts of generation capacity for factories, infrastructure, and other electricity-hungry industries. This is gigascale level production for commercial use, putting immense downward pressure on prices across the board. The world is changing at a breakneck speed, and those who refuse to adapt will be crushed under the wheels of progress. The electric revolution is here, and the energy revolution is following right behind it. If you found this analysis helpful and want to stay ahead of the disruptive tech news that is reshaping our world, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications immediately so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching Electric Vehicle Empire, and I will see you in the next video.